Yeah, so, you know, it's getting late. If you want, we can go to my place.
I thought you'd never ask. Ah, hate these. Forget the news story! Run! Help me! Is that a fire?
And sorry about that. We're switching to helicopter view. There are ongoing reports of violent assault. Suspect rioting. Mutant objects.
Was monster objects not rude enough for them?
Oh, yes, right.
If they look scary, it's because they blew in from outer ring. So, Spool, do you want to get out of here?
Huh? Oh, sure.
Whoa!
Did you see what that was?
No other time was. Right, hear that.
And this is...
Riots. End of the world. Sick.
Citrus, was it?
Sorry, be quiet. Listen. No! I can't die like this!
Ah!